Lauding the RBI's decision to cut interest rate, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley said that the move will result in more money with the consumers and help in reviving Asia's third largest economy. Jaitley has been pushing to ease the interest rate in order to lower the cost of capital. The move has been welcomed widely by the bankers, industry and the analysts. Earlier in the day, Reserve Bank of India surprised the markets by lowering the key lending rate, repo rate, by 0.25% to 7.75%. RBI had been adamant of 8% repo rate since past 1 year. The Apex Bank also adjusted the reverse repo rate to 6.75% but maintained the cash reserve ratio, the portion of deposit which the banks are required to have in cash with the central bank, unchanged at 4%. The announcement came ahead of the scheduled monetary policy meeting on February 3rd and the government's annual budget later in February. Saying that the growth deceleration has bottomed out and the revival has started, Jaitley hailed RBI's decision.
It's a positive development for the Indian economy. It will result in more money with the consumers, hopefully more consumer spending, help the growth rates. It will also help in reviving the investment cycle that we are seeking to revive.
Welcoming the RBI's decision, ICICI CEO Chanda Kochhar said that the first step has been taken, so let's not debate on the next.
Well, I think it's a very, very welcome step, a step that everybody was waiting for. So, and also I would think this is the beginning of some more cuts to take. Well, I think the first step has just been taken, so let's not start debating about what the next date would be. But let's look at this as a signal that this is a beginning, and I think a very positive beginning.
The economist Akashind believes that today's decision was a much required move, as by easing the interest rate, the benefit of cut in interest rate would pass on to the consumers and will positively impact the market. Speaking about the positive sentiments in the stock market post RBI's announcement today, Jindal said that there would be possibility of salary increase and job openings if the corporate sectors get high profits.
I think it was a much required move. We were expecting a Diwali gift from RBI. We were expecting a New Year gift from RBI. The gift didn't come at the time of Diwali or New Year, but at the time of Makar Sankranti and Lodi, we have got a well-deserved gift from RBI. The cut in interest rate means a lot for the economy, because what would happen is, in case banks also pass on the interest rate cut to the consumer, then the benefits would be, first, industry would get money at cheaper rates. Industry's interest costs would get reduced. What it means is that corporates and industry, corporate sector and industry, their profits would be higher. So stock market would be positively impacted, and we have already seen today's stock market go high because of that. And in case the corporate sector gets high profits, there would be possibility for salary increases, there would be more job openings for the common man.
RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan had, during the previous monetary policy review on December 2nd, hinted at a possible easing in rates early in 2015. Rajan today said that since July 2014, inflationary pressures measured by changes in the consumer price index have been easing. Finally, the government has reiterated its commitment to adhering to its fiscal deficit target. Inflation outcomes have fallen significantly below the 8% targeted by January 2015, he further said, adding that these developments have provided headroom for a shift in the monetary policy stance, the central bank governor added.
Powered by NNIS.